To do this DIY, you're going to need a sketch pad, preferably one that is spiral bound and A4 size. Next, you're going to need glue, ruler, a penknife, a bunch of decorative paper, and most importantly, pictures of you and your best friend or a significant other. First, start off by brainstorming. I'm organizing my playlist alphabetically from A to Z. But if you don't like this, you can customize it, personalize it, maybe the name of your best friend or a phrase that means a lot to both of you. So what you're going to do is for each alphabet that you have chosen, dedicate a song lyric to your best friend or significant other, like what I've done here. And do this for all the alphabets. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and draw a picture of an iPhone playing a music kind of layout. And leave a space in the center like this. This is where your photos, decoration, and lyrics will go. Don't forget the little details like these. These are what will make it pop. And also don't forget the name of the song and the artist. Next, you're going to cut off your decorative paper to fit the size in the middle. A little tip is that make sure that each paper that you choose somehow correlates with the theme of the song you're going for. And do this for all the pages. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and start writing your lyrics, adding your songs, and doing decorations. And this is my final product. This is definitely not an easy DIY or something you can do overnight. It actually took me 2 weeks to complete this, but I guess that's what makes it special, putting in time and effort for your best friend. And this one was actually for my long distance best friend. And I was actually inspired by Instagram because I saw a bunch of pictures of people with their best friends with really cute song lyric captions. And I thought, instead of just dedicating one song and one lyric to her, why not do an entire playlist? And that's how I came up with this idea. So if you like this, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, comment down below what you would like me to do next, and also follow me on my Instagram page at Feminine Potatoes. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day ahead of you.